you're a ghost doing that, bang 3 times.
This on or should pass me. Another one.
Your spirit doing that, bang 3 times on the wall. I saw an orb. If they were rats, wouldn't you hear like chirping noises or something?
Like claw marks.
Something.
I'll play this back.
The fuck?
Is that rattling?
I feel like somebody pushed on the door.
Seriously? On this over here?
This door.